Guys, so today I thought I'd do my Birchbox unboxing. Now I have had this about a week and I have opened it and yeah, well, I'll let you see what's inside anyway, and then I'll get into it at the end. So this is it. This is my Birchbox this month. It's in partnership with Paper Chase. So just get the little leaflet out. So on here there's a little 20% off at Paper Chase. And it's got two codes there. So one's for, obviously would be for me, and one's for a friend. So I will put those codes down below because I won't be using them. And this is the booklet on obviously what's inside the box, and I'll do the sneak peek at the end. So this is what came in my box. So first of all, we have a ritual product, which is the Ritual of Karma, and this is a body cream. Now, I don't use body creams. I have very sensitive skin, so I find a lot of products that I put on my skin tend to give me a reaction. So I don't use these sort of products. Now this product is, the RRP is £18.50, but this is, does it say how many mils you are? This is 70 mils, but it doesn't say how big the full size product is. So I don't know if this is just a decent sample or if that's meant to be the full size. I don't think it's meant to be the full size, because if you look at the booklet, it's an actual jar of cream, so I'm guessing it's not full size. So the next one we have is this teeny tiny, this is a Paul and Joe moisturising foundation primer. Now I tried this and it smelled like children's, children's makeup. It smells weird. And it wasn't very, I didn't like it on my skin. It felt very felt a bit like face paint, to be honest, against my skin. Now the RRP on this is £24, which clearly this little tiny bottle, which only has 10 mils in it, is not full size. But it doesn't tell me how big the full size is for the £24, so I'm not sure. Next thing I have is this, which is the Chlorine anti-pollution shampoo with aquatic mint. And the RRP on this is £8 for the full size. Clearly this is not full size. And this has, does it say? This is 25 mils. So for me, I've got quite thick hair, so I would probably use all of this in one go. But let's have a look. It smells really nice though. It smells like actual fresh mint, not like, like sweet mint. It doesn't smell like that. It smells like, like you freshly picked mint. Yeah, that smells really, really nice, that does. So yeah, the RRP on the full bun's £8 on that. Next we have what was on the sneak peek of last month, which is the Benefit Gimme Brow. I got the shade Warm Golden Blonde, which is, I think, is quite bad, because I put on my my profile that I have black hair. I know I'm fair, but I've got black hair, so my eyebrows need to be a lot darker, but this is what they sent me. Now, if I do like a little swatchy, so it looks very, I don't know, very gingery. Like I tried it on my eyebrows and it just made my eyebrows look orange. Like it did not look good at all. So that's the tiniest little product in the world, and that is only 1 gram that you get with that. The full product is £21.50. So yeah. So I'm a bit disappointed with that one because obviously I got a very light shade where I thought I'd get, you know, a darker shade since I've put in all my beauty profile. So yeah, so to receive that colour, I was a bit disappointed. Like that's pretty much my natural eyebrows colours. So, and then the last thing we got is, well, the last thing I got, should I say. This is the one where you could pick the shade. So this is a Laritze Cosmetics, and I got the shade Plum, which is this one. And this is a full-size product, and this is the RRP on this is £20. So I'll just do like a little swatch. So that's really nice, actually. I quite like that colour. So I probably will use this. The only thing is though, I hate when, you know, like when they're not twisty up. So like, is that as much as you get, or can you use a sharpener? I don't know. Like, I don't know, it just seems a bit like a waste. Like, how are you meant to get to the rest of the product? Or is there no more product? I don't know. If anyone knows, please comment down below, because it has baffled me for eons how you get to the rest of the product. So that is it for my box. My box is now empty. So I'll do the sneak peek. So if you don't want to know, look away now. So the sneak peek for June. Are you gonna focus? Probably not. Right, so it's a Incredible sheet mask, and you can either get a unicorn or a flower power one. So that is what is in next month's box. And there's also like a little competition as well that you could enter to win £100 worth of paper chase bundle. So yes, so my thoughts on this box, I was really disappointed, especially when you get something like Glossy Box, which is very similar in price. I think there's about £1 in it difference, and they're majority full-size products. So yeah, I have unfortunately cancelled my Birchbox. I don't know, I just wasn't excited. You know, the products are really small, and I think for what there is out there, you know, I think there's better beauty boxes. So yeah, so I've cancelled mine, unfortunately. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. And if you get Birchbox, let me know if you got any different products, and what you thought to the products that you got. Because, I mean, I'm just really disappointed with mine. But if you like this video anyway, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below, like I said, let me know about your Birchbox or what the products, you know, that I have. And don't forget to subscribe. And click the little bell icon too, because then you will be notified every time I upload a video. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.